You would have never guessed that was all houses. This is that block apocalypse we did, the whole neighborhood. Man, look at that, they tore them down, and look, you can't even tell those houses there. If it weren't for the driveways and sidewalks, you wouldn't even know. Look, all the grass is already grown back. What they do? That's a trip, man. I was expecting to see, like, foundations or just big old dirt where the houses used to be. How they grass grow back so quick? That's all I want to know.
Well, we do know this. It looks a lot better. Hey everybody, it's Storm along my brother. We're not out exploring today actually, so just gonna make this a little short one. We're gonna drive by and show you guys that Tennessee block apocalypse we did and how it's all gone and the grass is starting to grow back.
Better now.
Grass is starting to grow back now and looks pretty cool. But we're on our way to go do something else, not explore, and just want to stop by and check it out. So here's an update on the block apocalypse. Now it's a block of nature.
Yeah, it looks like a park.
My brother's gonna hold the camera, so it probably be a little bit.
We'll do a drive-by.
Let's go check it out. Little quick one for everybody, but we just wanted to know that, want you guys to know that it's great to see things like this happen. So thank you to whoever did that, and people gearing in, we love you, and we'll see you soon. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe for Still See Storm channel, all right? Don't forget Midwest Flush and the other guys. Talk to you guys next video, and yeah, man, let's go find some other adventure.
Let's go.
We're out of here.
Bye.